Well, the title isn't clickbait. The blocked account amount for students in 2024 is increasing. On the German embassy's website, under the student visa checklist, it says that the blocked account amount is increasing from 11,208 euros to 11,904 euros for all applications on and after 1st September of 2024. This is applicable for all students who are moving to winter semester this year. Your monthly blocked account amount also increases as it goes from 934 euros to 992 euros per month, and if you have already put your money in the blocked account, you have to update it now. The blocked account amount was last increased in September 2022 when it went from 861 euros to 934 euros. Also, some students who had already submitted their visa application are getting an email from the consulate to update and acknowledge the new blocked account amount. So if you're a student who haven't visited the VFS office yet, what should you do? First, if your appointment is in September or later, just put the new amount. Second, if your appointment is in July or August, I would suggest you put the new blocked account amount and not the old one, as the consulate may contact you to update it even after you submit your documents. If you have already put money in your blocked account, you just have to contact your provider and ask them to update it and add the extra money. And if you have opened it with Expatrio, the entire process is quite simple and everything happens online. The amount has gone up from 11,208 euros, which is around 10.25 lakhs, to 11,908 euros, which is around 10.9 lakhs. And I know not everyone is in the financial situation to fund all their expenses for studying in Germany, and that's why you have the option for an education loan. We covered this a few months back in a previous video, so if you want to know more, you can check that out. But if you're choosing Expatrio, they have an offer for Indian students who can apply for an education loan while opening the Expatrio blocked account. They have a new partnership with ICICI Bank, which makes it easier for all Indian students to apply for an education loan. With ICICI Bank, you can get an education loan for up to 2 crore for international studies, enjoy flexible repayment options, save income tax under Section 80E on the interest paid, and also receive a pre-admission sanction letter. The entire process is completely digital and tailored specifically for you. And if you're moving to Germany this winter semester and haven't opened your blocked account yet, the best place to do that is Expatrio, where you can save up to 269 euros in cashback. And if you're moving to Germany and haven't opened your blocked account yet, the best place to do that is with Expatrio and its value package, which saves you up to 269 euros in cashback. All the links are in the description along with a video on how to open your blocked account.